So we have those biggest narratives. Are we, humans, good by nature, or rather bad? If good, is that a result of evolution, some cosmic chance, or God's decision? Be that as it may, we usually tend to think, and this is nothing new, that people's good and bad actions arise from their desires. We can see good desires and bad desires, and obviously enough, we should support the good ones. And accordingly, we like to expect that people's bad behavior can be corrected, even if it's hard to achieve, by fighting people's bad desires. So it seems consistent to believe that ultimately there are no bad people, but only some people who need help and treatment to stop having bad desires. Now, I think this is all misleading. People I know, including myself, are no more good than they are bad, and vice versa. The problem with people is not so much about our different desires. The problem is, are we able to control our desires and not simply follow our instincts or just act on impulse? Any desire can be controlled, and any desire should be controlled. A worst criminal can refrain from doing a murder, and this is good. And the best mother can get lost and harm her child, and this is bad. Furthermore, this is by controlling our desires, by this power of self-control, that we become moral. What is morality? No, it is not about having only good desires, which is impossible. Morality is a power to say no to our desires or passions or thoughts. And this morality has much in common with civilization, because civilized people are always, by and large, people